Are you ready to launch your own marketplace? With Sharetribe, you can do it in just a day, no coding required. Sharetribe allows you to create any marketplace, be it for rentals, services, or products. Imagine building a rental platform like Airbnb or a service marketplace like UrbanSitter. The possibilities are endless. Our no-code builder comes equipped with essential features like profiles, listings, and payments right from the start. Plus, you can customize your marketplace to reflect your unique brand. If you want to extend functionality, our developer platform lets you add custom features and design your ideal user experience. And the best part? You won't have to worry about hosting or scaling. Our infrastructure supports 10 to millions of users seamlessly. Thousands of founders have trusted Sharetribe to bring their ideas to life, and now it's your turn. Start your 14-day free trial today and turn your marketplace vision into reality.